Goes for electric Fat Trike owners that want to know how to raise their handlebars. On your Fat Trike, there's a little plug in the middle of the handlebar. You need to pull that plug out, and I will tell you that it is a bit of a pain. And then the tools that you got, there's a 6mm Allen wrench. You stick it in there, and you loosen it up, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Once you've loosened it, you will be able to raise and lower your handlebars. However, there is a minimum insertion point that you have to be careful not to go past. So, once again, that's probably the extent of what I can do. And then you just retighten that bolt. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call us. Thank you.